forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share for more of Abby's Madness. What's up, guys? Your girl Abby here, back at it again with more of Abby's Madness. So as you can see by the title, good girl I gonna do another skit for no. So I want you to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, comment, and share for more of Abby's Madness. Also follow me on Instagram below. And if you want to see me and people, man, just fly over to Abby and Kepo JA. Also go subscribe to our comedy channel, Abby and Kepo Comedy TV. Will be a pranks, challenge, and so I go post over there. So no further talking, let's flick into the skit. Girl, we still can't believe that the doctor freak up your bottom. Don't laugh, girl. She lucky said the secret to all and Pamela's made a mince her. Another, I should have me. Cause she wouldn't get a time for us. She wouldn't get a chance. I say you can't act like say a bad girl. I say, Jesus Christ. Girl, remember me name Abby, you know. Dirty girl, name don't make you bad. Name don't make you bad. My mother mean. You're a real bad girl. What you say laugh? You're taking this shit for a joke. Hello? Shh. Hold on, girl. I hear something. Girl, remember someone tell you say your house haunted. Outside it come from. Vaz, go and go look. Alright, hold on. Tell us your house haunted. So, your girl are who? I don't know no girl. Just make sure see your house lock up, you know. Then I could have asked that. Alright, girl, I'm gonna look something to eat now. Come in and eat for money. Alright, goods later. Yeah, later. And our auntie knows. Oh, Venus. That must rotten. How long that in there for? I forgot. Oh, shit. I never stop eating it tonight, you know. I see the iron. Oh, yeah. The orange juice. Shut up! I want you to shut up in the Mona house.
Hey girl.
What? Joe!
Walk.
Why?
Hey girl, I say walk.
What you? But too bad you never did after behave so strong. Don't do it. Don't do it, man. I don't play so.
Move.
You never did that believe me.
Try it and you're dead.
Mr. Sir, I never sign up for this.
Boo!
I will laugh. I know your face, mama jump on your stink bird. Look here, mama tell you something, mama should have tell you for a morning. I ain't scared of no ghosts. Matter of fact, where you are from? Because I saw them just come in at people's house and tie them up. This no make sense. No one call. You don't make.
Hey girl, you can chat so. You only have a chat. Where must have a chat? You hear that? Chummer. No, you hear what I say.
No, you here, Batty boy.
Hey girl, who you chat to?
You are the only Batty boy in the room.
It's like you forget so much and get in my hand.
You're no bad boy. I got give you strength. Oh, you just to violate me, Batty boy?
I'm going to show you when you violate.
What you do?
I'm going to give you when your man never give. Come here.
It's so, girl.
Shut up, my mouth.
Feel the danger over here, that girl, I come rescue me. Girl, feel it. Feel it, girl. I need your help.
Hey, girl.
Hey, boy, drop it. So, wait, Chris? Oh, yeah, where you? Oh, you know. Whenever the buff in a trouble, I know be. But Chris, come on, man, me I left. I know. So me I will do anything to get you back. That did sexy and so do. So when you say me? No! So how you look so? Girl, you know I shit, I feel like that coming here, no. Girl, I feel it, I feel it. Wait there. What you want to do by the way? We see you, boy. For true? Yeah, girl. So all you know is she there. I'm in love with her, somebody feel when she in a danger so. I'm for fun that. I feel fun. Girl, I'm side. That's my name, Chris. Chris? Now you look so nervous, Chris. Me not nervous, I'm good. I'm gonna call it back.
Bring it to the owner. No. Are you
Yes.
say my pussy so cold?
Chris, now you're into on that.
No. To the owner.
Wait, so don't shoot. Give me a reason. We just did a try and win our back, man. You know what the thing said. So Chris, I really put my life in a danger just to win my back? Come on, man. No say it like that, B. So. Go on home, Chris. Girl, I said, boy, I really would have been getting it off. My love. Jesus. Come on, pull me out, girl. I fat? No, girl, I will find I'm gonna jump and shit come out. Bad to bad, girl, you must stop it. Shut up your mouth and pull me, man. No, get up now, man. Look at more say yes, I'm a daddy goods. Not sure the boy would have killed it right off. Abby! Get you, yeah! So guys, this is the end of the skit, so don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more of Abby's Madness. Also follow me on Instagram down below and go subscribe to my couple channel, Abby and Kevo J.A. Until then, your girl Abby is out. Bye!